How to add sound to your videos, comedy sound to your videos like this and this. As you normally see it on those skit makers videos, it will help them to trend and push their videos. For Facebook algorithm to locate your videos, you need to learn how to add good sound. I mean all this sweet sound to your videos. I'm going to take you to a step on how to download it, how you can get it in this video. It will be 2-in-1. Share this video and I will show you how to add it using CapCut. You can add using your InShot or Power App or CapCut. Those editing app, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to add it in this and how to download it. Let's go. Alright guys, to add funny sound to your videos that will attract people to watch it, open your CapCut this way and come here and click on new project. When you click on new project, now let's take the video we want to add the funny sound. Click on this and add it to the editing room properly. When you add it this way, now what you need is that sound. Make sure you download it or go to YouTube, type funny comedy sound. It will show you all sort of sounds. Select the anyone you want to download and download it. Okay, in next video I'll be showing you how to download it. Now what you need to do now, click on overlay, okay, and click on add overlay. To select the one you have downloaded, click on it. It's a video, but we are going to extract the audio from the video now. Add it, okay, and click on add. When add it this way, look at it, let's play it. You see now, just pause it now. For us to extract the audio now and remove the video, you need to pay attention. What you need to do now is to touch it. Make sure you touch it and have it this way that is showing this line. Then scroll down this way and look for extract audio. Extract audio. Just scroll down this way until you get to extract audio. Look at it here. Now look at extract audio. Click on extract audio. When you click on it now, it's going to extract the audio and separate it. Now they have separated it. Look at the audio now. Let's play it. You can see now that this particular video is still here. What you need to do now is to click on this arrow. Click on this arrow now. Okay, when you click on this arrow, come here and click on the video now. Click on the video, it will bring it here. Then click on delete. Click on delete. Look at delete here. Click on delete. It will remove that video immediately. What you have here only is that particular comedy sound and your video, the one you want to add it. Click on this. Have you seen it now? What you need to do now is to set it so that it will suit the areas you want it to play. Then look at the video. Let's play it. Look at where I add it like this. You see, let me play how to add it like this. Then click on it this way now and then split this one. Touch this line, the audio you have extracted, just click on it, split it and touch this end, okay, where you want to remove from the first. Click on it and remove it. Now it will start from that place. Okay, I show you how to add it, okay, like this. Let's play the video. How to add sound to your videos, comedy sound to your videos like this and this. Okay, you can just make it so that immediately you say like this, it will show, and also show on that particular place you say like this again. Now by clicking on this, now let's position it this way, split, touch it and split and position this one. Remove this side now and shift this, press it and hold it down, shift it. Let's play it like this. Pause it like this. Where you have font at your back, the way it will show. Now touch it and divide it by splitting it. What you need to do is to split it. Click on it, okay, and bring this back, touch it and split it. When you split it this way, now you scroll a bit. Now you split again, click on split again and remove the middle one. Let's remove the middle one. We don't need it. Now remove this middle one and let's play our video how to add funny sound, how to add funny sound like this and this. Look at it like this and this. As you normally see it. Now you can split the areas you don't want to use. Okay, now you can split it. Just click on it and then click on split. And now let's remove this place. Let's remove this one. Now remove it. Have you seen it? It will show on that particular place you want to use it on your videos. That's how to add funny sound to your videos. Okay, in my next tutorial I will show you how to get all the funny sound you need on YouTube. On YouTube, I will show you how to get all the sound you need on YouTube. Okay, that's how to add it. Please, if you find this video useful, I beg, do well to share this video. The best you can do to support is to share this video. If today is the first time you're coming in contact with my page, do well to click the follow button. Follow for more tips like this. Thank you so much. Love you. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.